Hello everyone, Sean here, Select Performance. Today I want to show you our BMW 435D Coupe with full AVR styling kit. Let's have a look. It's a 2014 on a 64. It comes with the private plate, the full AutoVogue AVR styling kit. It's absolutely stunning, so aggressive. Xenon headlights, carbon fibre front grille, 19-inch AVR alloy wheels, so with M Sport Plus brakes, carbon fibre side body breathers, black and performance mirrors, bodywork's absolutely stunning, really nice and clean. Wheels are all good. It's got the gloss black roof with a gloss black shark fin antenna, carbon fibre rear spoiler, AVR rear bumper with the quad exhaust pipes. Personally, I think these look better than the M4 rear ends. So the paintwork's nice and clean, bodywork's all straight, no pin dents. Moving inside. Got the black Dakota leather, electric adjustable, heated seats, so navigation, sport auto gearbox. Nice big boot on the coupes. Onto the driver's side. Electric memory seats. All in really nice clean condition. Leather's all great. What a lovely, lovely looking car. Find another one.